I almost canceled my Claude Pro subscription last month. $20 every single month. While ChatGPT Plus and Gemini are fighting for the same wallet, so I gave it one more 30-day test. Writing, code, research. Every day. And I just renewed. The thing that actually stopped me from canceling? A 400-line Python script, 2 minutes in. Plus the 3 things that would still make me cancel next month. 3 concrete moments from the last 30 days where Claude Pro earned the $20. Not benchmark scores, not vibes, receipts. Number 1, long-form writing. I write reviews for my site. 2,000 to 3,000 words each. Sonnet 4.6 holds the entire piece in working memory. I ask it to revise paragraph 14, and it still remembers what I said in paragraph 3. That sounds basic. It is not. Gemini quietly drops your earlier instructions about halfway through a document that size. GPT-5 gets closer, but when the document actually matters, Claude is the one I reach for. Quick pause. Every week I put real money into one of these tools so you don't have to. Next up, Google's AI Ultra plan. It just dropped from $250 to $99, and I'm finding out what got cut. If that's useful, subscribe. Back to Claude. Number 2, code. I had a 400-line Python script that scrapes my own site for stale articles. Written by past me, no comments. Embarrassing. I pasted it in and asked for a clean rewrite. It came back refactored. Fine. Expected. But it also flagged 3 actual bugs I've been living with for months. 3. I ran the same prompt through GPT-5. It caught 1. Gemini caught none and added a new one. That is not a small difference when you ship code. That one moment is most of why I renewed. Number 3. It actually follows instructions. I give Claude a 2,000-word brief at the start of a conversation. Tone rules, formatting rules, things to never say. 30 messages later, message 31 still respects what I said in message 1. Every other model I tested drifts. Claude doesn't. If you live inside long conversations, this is the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Okay, the honest part. 3 things that almost made me cancel and could still flip me next month. 1, the rate limits will bite you. Pro gives you Opus, Anthropic's biggest model, but the limits on Opus are tight. In my heavy weeks, I burn through them in about 90 minutes. Then I'm back on Sonnet. Sonnet is great, but if you're buying Pro specifically for Opus, that stings. And Anthropic keeps moving what's inside the box. This month, developer workloads move out of the plan and into separate credits. Read the fine print before you assume. 2, no image generation at all. ChatGPT does it. Gemini does it. Claude doesn't. I use a separate tool for images, so I don't care. You might. 3, web search is just okay. Slower than ChatGPT, shallower than Gemini or Perplexity. If your day is what's the latest on X, this is the wrong tool. So here's the actual recommendation. If you write, code, or research, anything with long conversations and complex instructions, Claude Pro is $20 well spent. Right now, I'd call it the best $20 in AI. If you mostly want images, voice, or fast life search, save your money. Get ChatGPT Plus or Gemini and keep free Claude on the side. And if you're a casual user asking what to cook tonight, the free tier is all you need. Don't pay. 4.5 out of 5. I renewed with my eyes open. Full written breakdown with every test is on the site, link below. If this saved you a bad subscription decision, a like helps more people find it. Tell me in the comments what you actually use Claude for. It decides what I test next, and that Google AI Ultra test is coming. See you there.